Today's quiz problem had a couple of alternative statements. One of the questions was, what happens to the area of a sphere if its diameter doubles? The diameter of a sphere is a linear measurement. So we're going to call that x. And we're going to observe that if the linear measurement increases, then the sides of all the little tiny squares that we imagine tiling the surface of this sphere increase proportionally. As a result, the area increases proportional to the square of the diameter. Because, again, the diameter is proportional to the sides of the little squares, and the area is certainly going to be proportional to the square of the sides of the little squares. So, if we double the area, well, we're really looking at what happens to the area ratio in terms of the ratio of the diameters. And as usual, we follow the usual procedure and get the area ratio is the square of the diameter ratio. Now, to answer the question, what happens to the area if the diameter doubles? Well, what is the diameter ratio if the diameter doubles? The diameter ratio is going to be 2. So that if the diameter ratio doubles, x2 over x1 is 2, and a2 over a1 is 2 squared, which is 4. An alternative statement of the problem asked what happens to the volume of a cube if the radius or the diameter doubles. So again, we get the usual procedure gives us volume ratio is the cube of the diameter ratio. And of course, the diameter ratio is 2, so 2 cubed is 8, so the volume will increase by a factor of 8 if we double the diameter.